guys, miss you all. I hope you all stay in good health, stay safe, stay at home. I am Mr. Daniel, and we're gonna continue our sessions about the math, and we're gonna continue our curriculum for now. So, the first thing we have is called the perimeter of a square and rectangle. The perimeter of a square and rectangle. We all know the meaning of a square and the meaning of a rectangle, but the meaning of word which you call perimeter. Perimeter. So what is the meaning of perimeter? The perimeter here meaning the perimeter is the distance around the two-dimensional shape, or the measure of the distance around something, the length or the boundary we have in the shape. So if we have a land like this land in the shape of a square, if we have a piece of land in the shape of a square, and I need to find the perimeter of the land. So I'm gonna count the meters of the boundary of the land. So I'm gonna count the sides from outside. So this one, and this side, and this side. So we have four sides. So to find the perimeter, I'm gonna find the sum of all sides we have in the shape. All sides we have in the shape. Like, if you have a home, like this one in the picture, and I need to build a fence to keep the thieves out and keep the bad guys out from my home. So I'm gonna build a fence. The fence here gonna be built from the perimeter. So the perimeter is the fence from outside. From outside. So the fence is built from outside, like this one. So now I built a fence for my home to keep other guys outside. To keep other guys outside. So again, the perimeter is something that we measure the lenses from outside. So like this one. How we gonna count the perimeter of each shape we have? So I'm gonna continue each part of the square from outside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the perimeter here is 18 square yards. The same here. So the perimeter in this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Again the same. If we have a shape like this one, so how we gonna find the perimeter? The same, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So all the shapes we have, if we need to find the perimeter, we're gonna count from outside, not from inside, because from inside we're gonna talking about the area, the people or the student that get the Zoom classes the day we have. We know the meaning of the perimeter and we know the meaning of area. But I'm talking to the people who didn't appear in the Zoom. So again, we here need the perimeter. The perimeter is we counting the side from outside. So we count the distance from outside. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So the same here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So the perimeter here is 26 square unit. Okay, so let's see without the grid we drawing in. So we have the shape. the shape here or the perimeter here, we counting we sum all the sides we have. Sum means we're gonna add all sides we have. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So we're gonna sum all sides from outside, all the sides from outside, and we're gonna sum between them. So the perimeter here is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 by 6. How many 6? 3 here. 3 multiply 6. So it's gonna equal 18. So if we need to find the perimeter here, the perimeter here is 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7. So the perimeter here is 7 plus 3 is equal 10 plus 7 is equal 17 plus 5 is gonna be equal 22. Okay, let's see the perimeter here. The perimeter here, if you miss only one side, so the whole problem gonna be wrong. The whole problem gonna be wrong. So be more specific. Focus more. If you miss only one side, the whole perimeter gonna be wrong. So please pay attention. How many sides we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna add 8 sides with each other. So 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. So it's gonna equal 28 centimeter. So guys, please pay attention for how many sides you have and how many sides like we said, how many sides you have in the shape. Because if you miss only one side, the whole perimeter gonna be wrong. The whole perimeter gonna be wrong. Okay, so let's see. The title of our lesson is the perimeter. If you get back to our lesson, the perimeter of a square and rectangle. But if you didn't remember the meaning of a square, so the square here is the figure with the 4 equal sides. So what does that mean? We have the square is 4 sides, 4 shaped sides, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 sides, and all the 4 sides are equal. So if we have this side is equal 3, so this side also is equal 3, this side is also equal 3, this side also is equal 3. So the square is all sides are equal. The perimeter can be found by adding the 4 sides. So if we need to find the perimeter of this square, I'm gonna draw it correctly here. We have this side is 3, and this side is 3, and this side is 3, and this side is equal also 3. So if we need to find the perimeter, so the perimeter here is adding the whole 4 sides. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So gonna equal 12. Guys, please again, do not forget the sign of the number. So if the sides by centimeter, so we must write the perimeter by centimeter. If you have the sides by inch, so you're gonna write by inch. So please pay attention for the sign you have for the number, the sign you have for the number. Okay, so again, please pay attention by the side you have for a number. But do we have another rule to find the perimeter of a square? Yes, which is 4 multiply the side length, the only side length. Because of the adding 4 sides, it's too long. Okay, how many 3 we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Because of writing 3 4 times is so boring, so we're gonna write 4 multiplied by 3. The same, right? The same 4 multiplied by 3 is gonna equal 12, right? Again, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is gonna equal 12. But 4 by 3, all step is easy, and you can remember it easily. So again, the perimeter of the square equal 4 multiply side length. 4 multiply side length. So if you have the side length is equal 6. If you have the side length of the square of any square equals 6. So the perimeter gonna equal 4 multiplied by 6. 4 multiplied by 6 is gonna equal 24. Okay, so let's see the next example. If we have a square like this one, the side length of the square is equal 9 meter. 9 meter. Meter. Do not forget the meter. So the perimeter here is 4 multiplied by 9. If anyone adds all sides with each other, so if anyone write 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, is that wrong? No, it's correct. But instead of writing 9 4 times, what happens if you write 4 multiplied by 9? It's easy to write this one by this form. So 4 multiplied 9 is gonna equal 36. Is this answer is correct? Of course not, because you forget to write the sign of the number. 36 what? 36 piece of desert? 36 centimeter? Of course not. You must write the sign of the number. So 36 meter. 36 meter. Let's see this one. If you have a square, the side length is equal 7, and here is 7, and here is also 7, and here is also 7, right? So the side length here is 7 inch. Okay? So we're gonna multiply 4 multiply 7. 4 multiply 7 here is equal 28. But you must write the sign, yes, of course. So the perimeter gonna equal 28 inch. 28 inch. So again 4 multiply 7 gonna equal 28 inch. Okay? Okay, let's see this one. If you have the side length is equal 11 millimeter, so the all sides also are equal 11. So the all sides are equal also 11. Okay, but if we're gonna need to find the perimeter, we're gonna multiply each side, the whole side. One side is multiplied by 4. So 11 multiply 4 gonna equal 44 millimeter. So let's see the last example of a square. The side length is equal 5 centimeters, so all sides are equal, like we said. So 5, 5, 5. Okay? But here the perimeter gonna equal 5 multiply 4 gonna equal 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. Okay? I think it's a part of the square. It's so easy. Okay? Let's see the perimeter of rectangle. A rectangle is a figure with 4 sides. It's the same like the square. But what is the difference between the square and the rectangle? The square and the rectangle. Okay, again, what is the difference between the square and the rectangle? The square, all sides are equal. All sides are equal, right? But the rectangle is so different between the meaning of a square and the meaning of rectangle. In the rectangle, each two opposite sides are equal in length. So we have this side equal this side, but this side not equal this one. But this side is equal the opposite side, which is this one. So each two opposite sides are equal in length. So if we have a rectangle like this one, and we have this side is equal 6, and we have this side is equal 3. So this side, the opposite side of this one is gonna equal 6, and this side, the opposite of this one, gonna equal 3. Okay, so if we need to find the perimeter, the same idea we said from the beginning. The perimeter here gonna equal 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6, so gonna equal 18 centimeter. Sorry guys for the writing. The handwriting with the mouse is so hard, so please, I apologize. So again, The perimeter here gonna equal 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6. But is there any way easy than this one? Like in the square we have 4 multiply side lengths. Yes, we have here easiest way in the world you can imagine. The perimeter here, the perimeter here is equal to multiply length plus width. Okay, where is the length and where is the width? We have the square like this one. We have a square like this one. Again, we have a square like this one. Here is the length. Here is the length. And there is the width. So here is the length and here is the width. So if we need to find the perimeter, we're gonna find by the rule we say 2 multiply length plus width. So the length here is equal 12, the width here is equal 3. So we're gonna add first 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 is equal 15. 15 multiplied by 2 equal 30. 30 what? 30 centimeter, because the side length is here by all centimeter. Okay, so again length plus width and you multiply it by 2, multiply them by 2. So let's see, the perimeter here gonna equal 2 multiply length plus width. So length plus width here is equal 8 plus 6. Multiply them by 2. So 8 plus 6 is gonna equal 14, right? 8 plus 6 is gonna equal 14. 14 by 2 is gonna equal 2 by 4 is equal 8, and 2 by 1 equal 2. So the perimeter here is 28, and the side length is here by meter. Do not forget this one. So 28 meter. 28 meter. Let's see this one. We have the perimeter here is equal 7. The perimeter here equal 2 multiply length plus width. Length plus width. Okay, so 7 plus 20. So the length here is equal 7 and width here is equal 20. So 7 plus 20 it's gonna equal 27. Gonna equal 27. 27 multiplied by 2. 27 multiplied by 2 is gonna equal 54. So let's see the last one. 54 millimeter. Do not forget this one. Again 54 millimeter. So let's see the last example we have. The perimeter here equal to multiply length plus width. 2 multiply length plus width. Okay, so let's see this one. Length plus width. The length here is equal 9, the width here is equal 5. So 9 plus 5 multiply them by 2. So 9 plus 5 is equal 14, and to multiply them by 2. 2 multiply 4 is equal 8, and 2 multiply 1 is equal 2. And you must remember the sign of the number. Here is a sign by inch, so 28 inch. You must write the sign of the number. Do not forget this one. I hope you all understand everything I said. Please, if you have any question and if you have anything you didn't understand from the video, please refer it to me and I will explain it for you privately or anything you want. Thank you all.